Do you ever notice your eyes feeling blurry at night? Or that your vision just isn't as sharp as it used to be? Maybe you struggle with dry eyes, difficulty reading in dim light, or even waking up with tired, strained eyes. What if I told you there's one simple fruit, yes, just one fruit that you can eat before bed? And while you sleep, it actually helps your body repair and protect your vision. Sounds too good to be true. Stay with me because the science behind this is fascinating, and it's something every senior should know. Hello, and welcome back to our channel where we share natural, science-based health tips to help you live stronger, healthier, and more vibrant lives after 5. Today, we're talking about a fruit that's been called nature's eye vitamin and how eating it before bed may actually help repair your eyes while you sleep. By the end of this video, you'll know which fruit has been studied for its powerful eye-healing nutrients, why nighttime is the perfect time to eat it for maximum benefits, and how to safely and easily add it to your evening routine. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's explore how this simple habit can protect your vision naturally. Segment 1. Why seniors experience eye problems at night before we reveal the fruit. Let's understand why night vision problems are so common after 5. As we age, our eyes undergo natural changes. The lenses inside our eyes become less flexible, making it harder to focus. The retina, which is like the film inside a camera, starts to lose cells that detect light. Our bodies produce less melatonin, a hormone that not only regulates sleep but also protects eye cells from oxidative stress. This is why conditions like macular degeneration, glaucoma, and cataracts are so much more common in seniors. And here's the key: most of this damage happens silently at night when your eyes should be repairing themselves during sleep. But without the right nutrients, they struggle to do so. Segment 2. The fruit that repairs eyes during sleep. Now let's talk about the star of today's video. Tart cherries, sometimes called Montmorency cherries. Why tart cherries? They are one of the richest natural sources of melatonin, the sleep hormone. This means they not only help you fall asleep faster, but also improve the quality of your deep sleep. They're packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect the retina from light damage. They also contain vitamin A and beta-carotene, which directly support eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration. In fact, several studies have shown that drinking tart cherry juice or eating the fruit itself can increase natural melatonin levels in the body by up to 85%. This gives your eyes the chance to repair themselves more effectively while you sleep. Segment 3. Why bedtime matters. You might be wondering, why does it matter when you eat cherries? Couldn't you just eat them any time? Here's why nighttime is so important. Your body does most of its repair work at night, including repairing DNA damage in your eye cells. Melatonin levels naturally peak in the evening. Eating tart cherries before bed gives your body an extra boost right when it needs it most. This means instead of tossing and turning, you're falling into deeper, more restorative sleep, and your eyes are being nourished at the cellular level. It's like giving your body the perfect set of tools at the perfect time to fix what needs fixing. Segment 4. How to add tart cherries to your night routine. So how can you actually do this at home? Here are a few simple ways seniors can use tart cherries before bed. Tart cherry juice, about half a cup for ounces of pure, unsweetened tart cherry juice, 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. This is the easiest option. Whole tart cherries, if you can find frozen or dried tart cherries, a small handful, about 1/4 cup, works well. Just avoid ones with added sugar. Tart cherry supplements, if fresh or juice isn't available. Tart cherry extract capsules are an option, look for standardized extracts with anthocyanins. Pro tip: pair cherries with a small handful of nuts like walnuts or almonds. The healthy fats help your body absorb the antioxidants even better, and they also stabilize blood sugar overnight, preventing that 3 a.m. wake dash up. Segment 5: More benefits of tart cherries for seniors. No. While today's video is focused on eye health, I want to share some additional benefits of tart cherries that are especially important for seniors, because here's the truth: when you add this fruit to your nightly routine, you're not just helping your vision, you're supporting your entire body. 1. Better sleep quality. Studies show that older adults who drank tart cherry juice before bed slept an average of 84 minutes longer each night. Not only longer sleep, but also deeper, more restorative sleep, the kind your body needs for healing. 2. Reduced inflammation and joint pain. Tart cherries are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which are natural anti-inflammatories. Many seniors with arthritis or gout notice reduced stiffness and pain after adding tart cherries regularly. 3. Heart protection. The same compounds that protect your eyes also protect your heart by improving circulation and lowering cholesterol. Since vision problems and heart disease often go hand in hand in older adults, this is a powerful double benefit. 4. Memory and brain health. Some research even suggests that tart cherries improve brain function and short-term memory. Another area that tends to decline after 60. So, in a single nightly habit, you're protecting your eyes, your joints, your heart, and even your brain. Segment 6: Facts and common concerns. Now let's address some of the most common questions seniors have about tart cherries and eye health. Q1: Can diabetics eat tart cherries? Great question. Tart cherries are lower in sugar than sweet cherries, but they do contain natural fruit sugars. If you're diabetic, stick to about 1/4 cup of whole tart cherries or 4 ounces of tart cherry juice, and pair them with protein or healthy fat to avoid spikes in blood sugar. Always monitor your levels. Q2: What if I'm on medication? Tart cherries are natural, but they can interact with certain blood-thinning medications because they improve circulation. If you're on warfarin, aspirin, or other anticoagulants, talk to your doctor before adding large amounts of tart cherry juice. Q3: What if I can't find fresh tart cherries where I live? Don't worry, frozen, dried, or juice concentrate are all great alternatives. Just avoid brands with added sugar or artificial sweeteners. Go for 100% tart cherry. Q4: Can I just take melatonin supplements instead? Supplements can help, but tart cherries provide melatonin plus antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It's like comparing a single tool to a full toolbox. The natural fruit simply does more for your body, so here's my challenge to you. Try adding tart cherries to your evening routine for just 1 week and notice how you feel. Do your eyes feel less strained? Do you sleep better? Maybe even wake up with more energy. If you try this, let us know in the comments. Your story may inspire someone else to take that step toward better health. And if you found today's video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips, and share this video with a friend or family member who may be struggling with their vision. Your health is worth protecting, and sometimes it's the simplest habits that make the biggest difference.